7 Facts You Should Know About UBS Accounting Software. 1. User Interface and Complexity. Most of the business owners do not have any accounting background. Even if you have a dedicated accountant who would be using the application, as an owner you should be able to log in and browse the things. Also, it should be easy enough for your employees to learn the software. Investment in training is a cost and should be avoided. If the accounting software is stuffed with every possible feature you can imagine, it will become difficult to use for your team. So, go for a software which has a simple user interface and is not bloated with unnecessary features. Clean interface makes it easy to focus on the important tasks and can reduce the learning curve. 2. Scalability. Lot of businesses make a mistake by buying an application which suits to their needs at the time of purchase. Later, when their business starts to grow, the accounting software failed to cope up with the progress and eventually business owners have to migrate to another software. Migrating data from an existing system to a completely new software can be painful. So, select an accounting software which can scale with your business needs. Some softwares offer only one version of the product and some have progressive versions depending the business type or size. Go for the software that offers an entry-level version as well as a feature-rich version which you might not need now but will definitely need in future. 3. Exit options. Imagine if the company you are buying from shuts down its operations or you discover lot of bugs few months after the purchase. To save yourself from such situations, ensure that the accounting software provides data export facility. You should be able to export ledger or other transactions at least in the form of Excel as most other software will accept Excel file for the import. In fact, as a good practice, you should always back up your data at regular intervals. 4. Hidden costs. Some accounting software providers might charge for the support or upgrades. Sometimes, a basic software is provided at a lower cost and then you are forced to buy add-ons or pay for maintenance fee. So, check if there are any hidden costs associated with the software you are planning to buy. Best way to know this is to check pricing page of the software provider's website. If they are selling additional services, those will be mentioned there. 5. Post-sale support. This is the most important but most ignored thing while selecting an accounting software. No matter how good or easy the software is, you will need support at some point. And if you have nobody to talk to when you are stuck, your entire investment will go in vain. Lack of support is also one of the reasons why some accounting softwares are cheap. Obviously, support cost is not included in the offering. You should avoid such products at any cost. Here is a simple tip to check the support: just post a message or call support number and see how they respond. Based on the response time and quality of response, you will come to know about their support infrastructure. 6. Online or offline. How does it matter? Well, most businesses nowadays are adopting cloud-based softwares as they offer a lot of advantages over traditional offline softwares. However, some businesses like retail stores require speed and not always connected to the internet. For them, offline POS, point of sale, systems are the best bet. 7. Data security. Skip this point if you have opted to go for an offline accounting package. If you are thinking forward and considering an online accounting application, then data security is the most important aspect to check.